Greetings to all the learners. Welcome to my channel English Classes with Rashmi Rajput. Today we are going to understand one of the most important topic of English question paper of class 11 and 12, that is note making. And I assure you that by the end of this video you will become a master in attempting this question. And we'll do it with the recent CBSE pattern, and we'll also have a look at the topper's answer sheet by the end of this video. Note making is the same as making notes of an important lecture or topic, the way you do it in your classes. It's a personal writing. You do not have to rewrite everything. Instead, you have to find out the important keywords and follow the format. CBSE has allotted 8 marks to the note making question, in which the title consists of 1 mark, abbreviations and symbols consist of 1 mark, content with minimum 4 headings and 4 subheadings with proper indentation consists of 2 marks. Here, indentation means giving a little space at the beginning of a line to represent a new paragraph. And the summary consists of 4 marks. Here, a detailed format is given to you, as you can see on your screen, that first comes the title, and the title must be written in 3 to 4 words, highlighting the main idea of the passage. Then we write heading and subheadings. As we just talked about indentation, you can see that I have left a little space from margin line to write subheadings. You also have to follow the same pattern throughout making notes. And the most important thing is to give right numbering to the notes. Under heading 1, the subheading will be followed with the numbering like 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 and 1.4. I have seen many students writing A, B, C in the numbering, but that will make your notes look more confusing to the examiner. So, if you want to fetch full marks, in this question you should follow the format as given here. The next thing to keep in mind is the word limit of the headings and subheadings. All the headings should be written in 1 to 2 words, and all the subheadings should be written in 2 to 3 words. Do not forget to use abbreviations for long words. After making notes, a key to abbreviations should be given in the same way as you can see here on the screen. And the next is summary. Here, you are supposed to write a short paragraph of 80 words using the same notes which you have prepared. The purpose of writing this paragraph is to get the gist of the whole unseen passage. So basically it's a conclusion of the whole passage. Now let's discuss the 6 super easy steps of note making. Step 1. While reading the unseen passage for the first time, divide the whole passage into 4 paragraphs. Minimum 4 and maximum 5. But 5 will be too much, so make sure that you have only divided it into 4 paragraphs. In rarest of the rare case, you can use 5 paragraphs. Step 2. Find out the main idea of each paragraph to make the headings. Step 3. Underline 4 very important points, keywords from each paragraph to make the subheadings. Use abbreviations for long words such as unconditional. So here, as you can see on your screen, I have removed all the vowels from this word unconditional to make an abbreviation out of it. Similarly, for department, I have used DEPT as an abbreviation. Step 4. Write a suitable title on the top. And an ideal title is always of 3 to 4 words. For example, effects of pollution, the changes in the ocean, internet influence on kids, globalization affecting economy. So make sure when you are making your title, it is not of 1 word, but it should be of 3 to 4 words. Step 5. Write all the abbreviations you have used in the notes under the title abbreviation key or key to abbreviations. Do not forget to use at least 5 abbreviations, and maximum you can use 6 abbreviations. And the last step, that is step 6. Write a short summary in a paragraph with the help of headings and subheadings. At this stage, you do not need to look back to the unseen passage. The summary should be written in 80 words. That will be 8 to 10 lines. And for your better understanding, let's do a question from CBSE sample question paper 2019-20 by following the same 6 steps which we have just discussed. So first, I have divided the whole unseen passage into 4 paragraphs. This paraphrasing should be done meaningfully. Wherever you think that the course of information is changing, there you may change the paragraph. You may also skip the content which you find irrelevant. At step 2, I have underlined the main points of each paragraph to make headings. And at step 3, I have found 4 main points from each paragraph to make the 4 subheadings under each heading. Step 4 is to give a suitable title to the notes you have prepared. So as I told you earlier that an ideal title is always of 3 to 4 words. Here the title is Artificial Intelligence, Not a Threat. At step 5, we write key to abbreviations, wherein we write all the abbreviations used along with the complete words. And at last, on step 6, we write summary using the above prepared notes. Now let's have a look at the CBSE Toppers answer sheet to get a glimpse of the best way of attempting this question in exams. As you can see that this student has followed all these steps as we just discussed. Title is of 3 to 4 words. Notes are very well organized with proper indentation and numbering. And I told you indentation means spacing. This student has also used sub points, or you can say sub heading, as you can see on your screen. In key to abbreviation, this student has mentioned 6 words and their abbreviations such as water, functions, perspiration, excretion and conservation. Then in summary, the student has repeated the title same as the main title of the notes. You may write just the word summary here. Now let's have a quick overview of the points to remember while attempting a note-making question. Avoid using long sentences. Never lose the main idea of the passage. Ignore information which is less important or confusing. Be brief, to the point and clear. Use proper indentation. Do not include your version of understanding. Stick to the passage. Use abbreviations. And that's all about note making. If you still have any doubt or any query, feel free to write it in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Happy learning to you all.